This is my camera work. This is my camera I will make you go dada. Who's your guy? Now only me. Stand up now, stand up now, stand up guys. As a day like this, I will never leave your side. I will never leave you. I dedicate my life to you, my guy. The boy is crying.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Gele Craft, and you know how we do it right here. It's always premium content, and here I teach you how to tie gele for free. So if you're new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and join the family. So today I will be teaching you how I styled my stunning bride this last weekend. Alright, first and first is your edge control application. So you will be applying your edge control on the edges of your client or model's head. So make sure you apply them neatly and firmly. So for this style, all you'll be needing is a 2/4 long gele, which is also the same thing as 90 inches, and then your formula will be 45-55. So you're going to be picking nothing less than 6 to 7 pleats if you're using a 4-hour, which is a 4 joining width of gele, and if you're using a 3 joining width of gele, you're going to be picking 6 to 5 maximum. As you know it, I always emphasize on the neatness of your pleats. So make sure your pleats are always so neat, very neat, and arrange them accordingly. Always ensure your gele sits well on the base, so you need to ensure that the gele is covering almost the total hair and she's holding down firmly. That helps to secure your gele even before you tie at all, so you don't have your gele shifting on one side of the hair. So the next thing you do is go to the back and collect your hands properly. So the longer hand is always below and the shorter hand is always above. So always above the shorter hand. Always remember that your shorter hand is always above, and sometimes it varies whenever you're tying a. So one thing you should know is that whenever you're standing at the back, the right hand side is always going to be on top. The right hand side is always going to be on top. Keep arranging your pleats. Make sure you cover the other side of the hair. So once you get to the middle, you make sure you're pinning down. Make sure you pin down firmly. All right, then take your longer hand and you're going to be picking 4 pleats. You're picking 4 pleats. So 4 pleats all the way until you get to the very end. So let's do that. So count your pleats: 1, 2, 3, 4. Ensure you don't pick more than 4 pleats. More than 4 pleats will cause problems for you. So just pick 4 pleats. Alright, when you get to the back, you have to pin it down. Make sure you pin it down correctly. And then back at the front, you have to start picking your pleats. So like I said, this style is a round ruffles style. So you're going to be having round in the middle and ruffles on the side. Always ensure you follow all the procedures. Make sure you follow all the procedures showing on the screen. For those of you watching this channel for the first time, make sure you watch my previous videos. Watch how I tie the basic styles from round to bridal fan to other styles. I have so many styles on this channel. And so guys, I will be having the African masterclass, which is like an African tour, and the first country we'll be going to is Uganda. So if you're in Uganda, if you're watching from Uganda, make sure you register for my masterclass. For more inquiry, kindly reach out to me on Instagram at easyyyyy. Also, you can reach out to the makeup artist, which is the host in Uganda, and name is Shaima-Faces on Instagram. Make sure you check it out. Alright guys, once you're done with the round part, all you need to do now is the ruffles part. So the ruffles is going to be starting at the quarter, part to finishing your gele, which is the second side of the brows, and that will be on your right hand standing in front. So guys, make sure you're picking your ruffles properly. And how do you pick your ruffles? All you need to do is squeeze your material on top of each other. Always ensure you're picking the ruffles properly, because if you're not doing so, your ruffles might scatter. And once you pick your ruffles, ensure you pin on the top. Make sure you squeeze your ruffles, and when you get to the top, you pin it down, and ensure you're pinning it firmly. If not, your ruffles will pop open. So guys, keep doing this, repeat this until you get to the very end. Guys, always ensure you make proper adjustment while tying gele. You don't have to finish tying the gele before you make some adjustment, because some adjustment you need to make them before you even knot your gele at all or get to the back. So ensure you're making correction as you move forward. So guys, once you're done, all you need to do now is pin it at the back. So you need to go to the back and pin down. So how do you pin down? Take the remainder of the ruffles part and pin it to the back. Make sure you pin it properly and firmly. Once you pin it properly and firmly, your gele will be intact. Always ensure you do a proper finishing, guys. Your finishing should always be there. Don't leave your gele just anyhow. Once you're done tying, ensure you're doing your proper finishing. Adjust wherever needs to be adjusted. Readjust wherever needs to be readjusted. So always ensure your finishing is top notch. The last thing you need to do while tying gele is packing the back. So you need to pack the back properly. Make sure it is neatly packed. Don't just rough it up and pin it down. Ensure you follow all the procedures shown in this video, and once you do that, your gele should be looking so beautiful and fine. I mean, look at this bride gele. Look at my bride gele. It's looking so spectacular, and she absolutely loves her gele.
Eddie, for making my gele.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Who's your guy? Now only me. Stand up, guys. Can I actress? You know actress. Can I face up? You be my actress.